Log into Cisco FMC using the GUI and to FTD using the CLI as the admin user. On the Cisco FTD CLI, run the Show Managers command to check the registered FMC. Currently now FMC add as manager. Run configure manager add FMC IP registration key on the FTD to establish central management with FMC. Note: make sure to note down the registration key, as it is required for registration on the FMC side. After adding the FMC, a confirmation message will indicate that the manager was configured successfully. To verify, run Show Managers to view the FMC details. FTD side shown registration pending, then go to FMC. In FMC go to Devices then select Add option to Registration FTD. Set the host of the FTD IP address and set the display name to identify the FTD. Select your domain if applicable, and assign the default or desired access control policy. Make sure to save the registration key on the FTD, as it is required for registration on the FMC side. Select Smart Licensing as your requirement. Click Register for registering FTD on FMC. Registering processing. Fast forwarding this step, registration usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. During processing, the FTD will download and install all necessary packages. Last stage is deployment. All things push from FMC. After finished deployment you will able to show the FTD details in FMC. Thanks for watching this video.